Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I've got 2 more 888 lots boxes. All of these products can be found on hookedonpickin.com. I hope you're loving being able to buy them right away on hookedonpickin.com. I have no idea what's in these boxes. We didn't even look them up. We ordered them a while ago. They arrived. We're going to open them. So it's a mystery to you and it's a mystery to me. So let's open these boxes. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, we will price each and every item at the very end of this video so you know exactly how much they're going to cost. International buyers, you can also buy these items. If you spend over $100 and you live inside the United States, for domestic USA, you do get free shipping over $100 on all the items. So we have tons more stuff on the store, so find some stuff. Oh, we sold out of these so fast when they were on the store. 8-ounce plastic squeeze bottles. You can use them for shampoo when you travel. Not on an airplane. They're too big for that. Ketchup, mustard, mayo. Who knows?
Not in that order.
No. Don't put shampoo in, then ketchup, mustard, and mayo. Don't layer it like that. That's weird. All right. So we've got some squeeze bottles. Thank you for the correction there. We don't want to do that for sure. All right. Lots of squeeze bottles. Then we have, what is this? This is some sort of a duffel bag. Limited time warranty Adidas. Ooh, I better not let Lexi see this. She loves Adidas, everything. So let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's a cool looking bag. It's got these little like stretchy strap things. Hold on. It's kind of tied together and I don't want to, it's a large duffel bag. Let me just show you this picture. But it's pieced together with these little things, and so I don't want to undo it because it is basically brand new in packaging. It was $25, but how cool is that? That's a nice, I better hide this from Lexi. She will steal it if she finds it. No, my kids are really good. They know they have to ask for permission. Like they actually got their first Candy Club jar of candy. If you don't know about the Candy Club jar of candy, they've been eyeballing it for quite some time, and finally I let them have one. I know I'm that mom. Oh, so we have some more of these velvet rubber throws. Were we sold out of these? Yeah, we were totally sold out of these. These are really soft, big, comfy. I think they fit like a queen size bed. So they're really, really nice and plush, great blanket to have. Got another squeeze bottle there. And what are these? Oh, walkie-talkies. Look, we have for the boy and for the girl. Actually, they might all be the same color because I just noticed. Which one is it? Which one is it? Okay, this one says black. Okay, so this one is black. The sticker's in the way, but this one is black in color. This one, we're probably just going to have to open them and see. Is this one black as well? No, this one's yellow. No, it's camouflage. Look at that one.
Is the other one camouflage?
Let me look. Now I'm curious. Okay, so we have a camo one. This one is in a bigger... No, it's not in a bigger box. This one is just plain yellow. So we're going to have to definitely figure out which is which then. And put... But we'll probably set it up so you can buy them based on their color. So we'll have a camo, a yellow. Let's see what this one is. This one is pink. Here's the pink one. This is way more fun to have so many different colors. All right, and then I think this is the last box in here. This one is, looks like, oh, this one has headphones. Oh, this one is a blue and a pink. There's a pink one there and a blue one there. And I wonder, do all of them come with these headphone pieces? I'll have to look to make sure. But we'll wait till the end when we price it. And then I'll be able to tell you, do they all come with the headphone pieces? Because my guess is they may be in the bottom of the boxes. Or they don't come with them at all. So we'll kind of set that up. Here is a duvet for a twin XL. I have been told by lots of you viewers that the twin XL fits a dorm room bed perfectly. So I guess dorm room beds might be a little bit longer. This is a kind of like a charcoal gray, it looks like. So it's a 69 by 90 inch. It's a twin XL, and it comes with one pillow sham as well. So if you like to have a little extra length on it for that one, you can. I'm making a little bit of a disaster with my organizational skills here, so we're gonna look inside the box, see what else we have. Looks like we have another duvet cover there. This one is for a full queen, and it is tan, and the full queens come with 2 standard shams. So nice tan color there. Then we have another twin XL. This one is kind of cream colored. It looks discolored here, but my guess, let me just look. Yes, the sheets are totally clean. It's on the plastic, but the sheets are totally clean. Like, I don't know if you can see in there that they're totally clean. But yeah, I always check that if I think that there's any kind of staining or anything. All right, so we've got 2 twins. We got a gray and a white. Looks like this one is, what size? This one is a queen, fitted sheet, flat sheet, 2 standard pillowcases, and look at that color. Woo! I feel like we need this one, Paul. Mm-hmm. The school colors in our area are orange and black. Our kids go to orange and black. Paul went to orange and black for high school, and then I went to orange and black for high school. How crazy is that? So I guess it's a common color. All right, so that's a queen size one. Ooh, we got a furniture protector. These are always nice. What is it for? Let's see. I'm trying to see if it's for a chair. Yeah, love seat.
See what it's been checked.
I don't see the check. Oh, there's the check mark. I was missing it. All right, and it is cream colored and this tan color. So you can see kind of the cream right there in the side. And then it's this tan color. So really kind of would go with anything. Then we have bamboo bedside shelf. Ooh, is this the same one we had before?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we sold this one like super fast off our store. So we're going to just go to relist it under the same listing. But we'll put all the prices at the end. So if you want to look for any of the items, just go ahead. And all you have to do, if you're ever on the Hooked on Pickin website, we do have quite a few products. If you can't find your product, there is a search option. So like for this, you just type in bamboo and probably it'll pop right up. All right, if you ever can't find it, you can always email me. If it's sold out, a lot of times you can't find it. That's the reason for it. But if you ever can't find it, you can always send me an email and I can send you the direct link to the item. So we'll be doing some, hopefully updating snorkel fins. Large, extra large. Ooh. I think I might open this. Yeah, I want to open this.
It's hard to know what they look like.
Yeah. Look at the brown box. No. That's not helpful. We're on video here. We need to see visually what they look like. Ooh. These look like the ones our son James has a pair that's similar to these. They're just the fins. So it doesn't come with like the breathing apparatus, but it's got both feet. Large, extra large. So
good adult size.
Yeah, basically a good adult size. Let me put this back in here. Actually, I'm going to leave this one out so that we can show you at the end. All right. Then we have 2 random white mystery boxes. They're both the same size, so my guess is they're the same item. Get this box out of the way so we can put these here. Bamboo box.
It's a desk storage box.
It is a desk storage box, and it's got a little handle on it. See the handle? So it's like a carry box if you want it to be, but you could put pens and scissors and pencils, notebooks and staplers and anything you want in there. Yeah, that's a nice little box. Yeah. So it's also called, I see right here on this box it says cutlery holder, so you can actually put.
Yeah.
So this is like for a kitchen. You can put your whisks and your scissors and your spatulas, and then you can put
knives, spoons, forks.
Oh yeah, knives, spoons, forks, and then maybe even put some of your larger utensils in this one.
Could.
You could use it really for anything. So you could use it for an office desk
I could definitely
or a
see
kitchen
that. Yeah.
situation. Or if you're going on a picnic or go camping, this would be the great,
Perfect.
hey, we've got the red camping set of flatware. You could buy that, buy this and buy that, and you got your picnic set.
Perfect.
So.
That's cool.
Yeah, I like it. All right, what's in the next box? I'm a terrible box cutter user. Terrible. Just cut towards yourself, folks. I did on that side. All right. There we go. Ooh, tote bags. Initial canvas totes. M. So this is for if Mom, Mary, Melissa. If your last name is Mitchell, Miller,
Millie,
Molly, Mackenzie,
Mickey Mouse,
Maggie, or Mom.
Mom or Mother.
Mother, yes. So we've got an M.
I think they were a Mother's Day.
Probably. So we've got a bunch of these canvas totes. These are cool. I'm actually going to open one so you see how large it is because I kind of like to know that. So I'm going to open this one. I'm going to rebag it in another poly bag. So, oh my goodness, this thing is huge. So it's got this in the bottom to keep it nice and firm. In the bottom there. And then, so it's nice and firm and flat.
My phone called Mom.
Did it really? Because you were talking?
Yeah.
All right, so look how big it is. It's black and cream color. So if you're wondering what color that is, that's black. That's so cute.
It looked almost navy blue.
But when you pull it out, it's black. Yep.
Black,
so we've got a bunch of those. So those will be available directly on Hooked on Pickin.
$1,000 a piece.
$1,000. No, not $1,000, Paul. You and your $1,000.
Surcharge $1,000.
Yeah. The problem is we wouldn't sell anything.
Well, maybe.
I like to give good deals, Paul. You can't charge $1,000 for everything. One of these days, though, we'll find an item we can charge $1,000 for. Actually, we've sold something for over $1,000 one time. The thermal camera, remember?
Yeah.
We sold that for like
$2,000.
Yeah. Okay. Hot dryer airbrush. There you go. Frizz free hot dryer airbrush.
No picture of it.
No, but we will just show you. It's the pink one.
We've had that one before.
Yep. This one's brand new.
Black and pink.
Black and pink. Yep. So you brush your hair and dry it at the same time. Really nice and handy. Makes your hair nice and smooth and less frizzy. It's kind of like using a diffuser. I think it works better than a diffuser personally. All right. What is this? This is a faux fur throw. Oh my goodness. Let me open this because I want to rebag it anyway into a nicer bag. Oh my goodness. This thing is so soft. Look at that. So this is the inside. Super soft. And look at the outside. This is the best part right here. How beautiful is that?
Boy, that is soft.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? So it's a north end. It's 100% polyester. And then the size this was on here a minute ago. Plush throw. I'll give you the sizes. Oh, wait, here it is. It is 50 inches by 60 inches. Faux fur throw. I'm going to set that over here. Ooh, what do we have here? Big Mouth Incorporated. Yes! I like...
Can you turn that for me? Perfect.
Right here?
Yeah.
I like big mugs and I cannot lie. So that's what this one says.
I don't think that's what I ordered.
Well, actually, I think the one you ordered is right here.
Yes, yes.
I'm cut back to just 1 cup of coffee a day. This is actually half a gallon.
Yep.
So we've got 2 different styles. So we've got an I like big mugs and I cannot lie, which I think is hilarious. Because it kind of an homage to an old song. And so we've got, let me see, the coffee one. We've got this one. We got another coffee one. And it looks like we got 3 of each.
3 of each?
Yeah, so I'm going to actually open this and make sure that's exactly what's in here.
Right.
The mug one. Is this one the mug one? Yes, it is. See how big it is?
I like big mugs.
This is still funny.
That I would have to say that is one thing. Sometimes you order something and you don't quite get what you ordered.
It's not exactly what you thought.
That we have discovered, like, I think all those walkie-talkies were all supposed to be the same color.
Yes, but hey, more variety for you.
Correct.
But yeah,
sometimes it's not that big of a deal. Other times it is a big deal.
Yeah. Well, at least this didn't say any, like, have an inappropriate slogan. Woo! That one's fine. So we've got 3 of each kind. So one is I've cut back to just 1 cup of coffee a day. You guys were so jealous when Paul bought that for me and a friend the other day that he went and he found them again. They weren't in stock, but then he found them again. So he bought you guys. So if you want a giant half-gallon coffee cup, now you have a couple of even different style options. So it looks like the Big Mugs one has black writing. The 1 cup of coffee a day has a brown writing on it. So we're going to go ahead, price all of these items, come right back at you. All right, we've got all the prices for everything you can find right on hookedonpickin.com. So we've got our fun giant mugs there, $14.99 for each, and you get to pick your style. So 1 cup of coffee a day, or I like big mugs and I cannot lie. Then we have the faux fur blanket there, so $24.99 for that. Then our beautiful, or our hot air brush there, we ran out of stock and now we have one in stock, $19.99 for the pink and black brush hair dryer. Then the M canvas bags, they are Mud Pie is the brand, $14.99 for those monogrammed bags there. Then we have the cool bamboo caddy. You can use it for your desk or your kitchen, $17.99. We have 2 of those available with a handle. $19.99 for the black flippers. Large, extra large is the adult size. Then we have $4.99 for the squeeze bottles, and you saw we had a bunch of those. Then $19.99 for this is a full queen duvet cover, $19.99 for that duvet cover. Then we have the orange queen sheet set, $19.99 there. Then we have $14.99 for the furniture protector for the love seat, $14.99. We have the bamboo bedside table. It's got clips to clip on the side of the bed, $19.99 there for that. Then we have our walkie-talkies, and so we've got all our different colors. You can pick which color you want, $14.99. This blue and pink one will have the headphones in it, but also $14.99. Then we've got the velvet throw at $24.99 for the red and Sherpa-lined white velvet throw there. Then $14.99 for this twin XL white cream sheet set there, duvet cover, $14.99. Then we have $19.99 for the Adidas duffel bag. And then last but not least, we have $14.99 for the gray twin XL sheet set there, duvet sheet set. So hopefully you find something you love, and you loved this unboxing of 888 Lots Liquidation. All of it is brand new product. Go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of it. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are a subscriber so you know every time we put a video out. Go to hookedonpickin.com to find our awesome treats that we have there. We've got popcorn and candy club and many other things that you can buy that are yummy and delicious. We also have Pickin's mystery boxes where if you would like to do an unboxing yourself, you can choose from the $25, $50, or $75 categories. Thanks so much.